Welcome back to the world of Spencer. Today I will be finishing off the parrot. As you can see in the last one, this was how we done it and finished it. Today I will finish the rest of it off. So let's get started. We will start with the letter A. Because all of these are a mixed diamonds. Some are round and some are fancy ones. But we will start with A, which are the small round ones like that. I will come back and show you when I've done the A's. Now I have finished the A's, and that is what they look like. Now I will go on and do the letter B. That is what the bees look like. I will do C in a moment. Now we will go on and do the letter C.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, I may know your town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Ain't no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall.
And when I have finished the C's, I will come back to you. I have finished the C's, and this is how it looks. Now we'll start on the D's. As the traditional pen or the vacuum pen won't pick up these diamonds, I will have to do them by hand with a pair of tweezers.
Heard the church bell moaning down on Beale Street side. Heard the church bell moaning down on.
And when I have finished the D's, I will come back to you. Now I have done all the D's. Well, they were very tricky to get into place. Now I will continue with the E's. And the E's are like these.
Down on Beale Street side, sounded like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide. Now I'm sitting with this guitar, strings hum like they know. Yeah, sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know. When love don't live no longer, that blues is all you own.
I will continue with these and I will come back to you. Now that is all the E's done, as you can see. I will start on the F.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. In no face I recognize, and my baby can't be found. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall. The church bell moaning down on Beale Street side.
I will come back to you when I have finished the F's. I have finished the F ones, and that is how it is looking. I think it's looking rather nice, don't you? Now I will go on and get the G ones done.
Sounded like forgiveness for the tears I try to hide. Now I'm sitting with this guitar, strings hum like they know. Yeah, sitting with this guitar, strings on like they know.
And these are the sort of ones I take away on holiday with me, or when I have to go into hospital for a couple of days. I take the small ones with me, and I can do them.
When love don't live no longer, that blues is all you want.
I will finish the G's and I will come back to you. Now I have finished the G's. And now I will go on to the H's, which is the last stage. When I've done these, I will then show you what it looks like. But now I have finished H, and this is what it looks like. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching The World of Spencer. See you in the next one.